When it comes to improving the air quality inside your car, choosing the right cabin air filter is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. Every time you turn on your heating or air conditioning system, outside air is pulled through the cabin filter before it reaches you. That means your filter is responsible for blocking dust, pollen, smoke, exhaust fumes, and microscopic pollutants that can affect both your comfort and your health. In this detailed guide, we'll walk through the top 5 best car cabin air filters for 2026, focusing on filtration efficiency, airflow performance, odor control, durability, and ease of installation so you can confidently choose the best option for your vehicle. Kicking things off at number 5 is the Filtop Cabin Air Filter, a dependable and widely compatible option that offers strong performance for everyday drivers. What makes Filtop filters stand out is their triple-layer filtration design, which combines electrostatic fiber, activated carbon, and filter paper to capture airborne contaminants. This structure allows the filter to trap up to 99% of dust, pollen, and pollutants while still maintaining airflow through your HVAC system. Another advantage of the Filtop filter is its odor control capability. The activated carbon layer helps absorb harmful gases and unpleasant smells from outside the vehicle, such as exhaust fumes or industrial pollution. This makes a noticeable difference when driving in urban environments or heavy traffic. Installation is also simple, often taking just a few minutes without the need for tools, which is a big plus for drivers who prefer DIY maintenance. Overall, Filtop is a great entry-level choice that balances performance, affordability, and ease of use. Moving on to number 4, the Zezit Cabin Air Filter is a straightforward and budget-friendly option designed for basic air filtration needs. While it may not offer the advanced multi-stage filtration found in premium models, it still performs well for everyday driving conditions. It helps capture common airborne particles like dust and pollen, improving the air you breathe inside your car. Zezit filters are particularly suitable for drivers who mainly use their vehicles in less polluted environments or who simply want to replace an old, clogged filter with something reliable. They are easy to install and maintain, making them a practical option for routine maintenance. While it may not deliver the highest level of filtration or odor control, it provides a noticeable improvement over worn-out filters and ensures consistent airflow through your HVAC system. At number 3, the Puroma Cabin Air Filter offers a strong combination of performance, value, and convenience. Puroma filters are designed with multi-layer filtration that includes activated carbon, allowing them to trap dust, pollen, and other airborne particles while also reducing odors. This makes them a great choice for everyday drivers who want clean air without spending on premium options. One of the key strengths of the Puroma filter is its ability to maintain efficient airflow while still providing effective filtration. This balance is important because it ensures your heating and cooling system continues to operate smoothly. Puroma filters are also widely compatible with many vehicles and are easy to install, making them a popular choice among drivers looking for a reliable mid-range option. If you want a filter that delivers consistent performance and good value, Puroma is a solid pick. Stepping up to number 2, the PureFlow HEPA Cabin Air Filter is the best option for drivers who prioritize maximum air quality and advanced filtration. Unlike standard filters, PureFlow uses a multi-stage filtration system that includes electrostatically charged media, activated charcoal, and antimicrobial layers. These filters are designed to capture up to 99% of airborne contaminants, including fine dust, pollen, and pollutants, while maintaining smooth airflow through the system. The inclusion of activated charcoal helps eliminate harmful gases, such as carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide, while antimicrobial technology prevents the growth of mold and bacteria on the filter surface. This makes PureFlow an excellent choice for drivers who suffer from allergies or frequently drive in polluted environments. Although HEPA-style filters can sometimes be slightly denser than standard filters, PureFlow is engineered to minimize airflow restriction while maximizing filtration. If you want the cleanest possible air inside your vehicle, this is one of the best options available. Finally, taking the top spot is the 4-cord Cabin Air Filter, a well-rounded option that delivers excellent overall performance. This filter stands out because it offers a perfect balance between filtration efficiency and airflow, ensuring that your HVAC system operates effectively while still providing clean, fresh air. 4-cord filters typically feature multi-layer designs that combine electrostatic fiber and activated carbon, allowing them to capture both large and microscopic particles while also neutralizing odors. This makes them suitable for a wide range of driving conditions, from daily commutes to long road trips. What sets this filter apart is its versatility. It performs well in both clean and heavily polluted environments without compromising comfort or efficiency. Another key advantage of the four-chord filter is its durability. Designed for long-lasting performance, it maintains its filtration capabilities over time, reducing the need for frequent replacements. It's also easy to install, making it a convenient choice for drivers who want a hassle-free upgrade. If you're looking for the best overall cabin air filter that combines performance, reliability, and value, the four-chord filter is the top recommendation. Choosing the right cabin air filter depends on your specific needs and driving conditions. If you live in a city with heavy traffic and pollution, a filter with activated carbon or HEPA-level filtration will provide better protection against harmful gases and fine particles. If you have allergies or respiratory sensitivities, investing in a high-performance filter like PureFlow can make a noticeable difference in your comfort and health. For everyday driving, a balanced option like four-chord or Puroma is usually sufficient, offering good filtration without restricting airflow. Budget-conscious drivers can still benefit from options like Filtop or Zezit, which provide reliable performance at a lower cost. It's also important to remember that cabin air filters need to be replaced regularly to maintain their effectiveness. Most manufacturers recommend replacing the filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or at least once a year, depending on your driving conditions. A clogged filter can reduce airflow, strain your HVAC system, and allow pollutants to enter your cabin. Replacing a cabin air filter is usually a simple process that can be done at home in just a few minutes. In many vehicles, the filter is located behind the glove compartment, making it easily accessible. Regular maintenance not only improves air quality, but also helps extend the life of your HVAC system. In the end, a high-quality cabin air filter is a small investment that can have a big impact on your driving experience. Cleaner air means better comfort, improved health, and a more enjoyable ride for you and your passengers. Whether you're commuting daily, traveling long distances, or simply running errands, upgrading your cabin air filter is one of the easiest ways to enhance your vehicle. And that wraps up our detailed review of the top 5 best car cabin air filters for 2026. From the reliable Filtop cabin air filter, the budget-friendly Zezit cabin air filter, the balanced Puroma cabin air filter, the high-performance PureFlow HEPA cabin air filter, to our top pick, the versatile four-chord cabin air filter. There's a perfect option here for every driver. Which cabin air filter are you planning to upgrade to this year? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews and buying guides. And be sure to check the description box for the latest prices and deals so you can keep your car's air fresh, clean, and healthy every time you drive. Thanks for watching.